Hello guys, my name's Dory. Today I gonna tell you story about the shepherd and the wolf. Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow, a shepherd watched over his sheep every day. He cared for each lamb and kept them safe under the rising sun. One morning, the shepherd found a lost wolf cub near his flock. Feeling sorry for it, he took the cub home and treated it like one of his own. As the wolf grew stronger, it helped the shepherd by chasing away real wolves and guiding stray lambs back to safety. The shepherd believed the wolf's heart had truly changed. One day, the shepherd left the wolf to guard the sheep while he ran an errand, but the wolf forgot its promise. It slipped into the flock and carried off a few lambs for its own meal. When the shepherd came back, he found his flock smaller and felt deep sorrow. He realized he had trusted the wolf too much. Moral of the story: always be careful who you trust, for old habits are hard to change. Bye-bye. See you in the next stories.